How to create new MetaMask account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a new MetaMask account. So how do you do so? Open your web browser or you can download the mobile app, whichever one that is convenient for you. So after opening your web browser, the next thing to do is to type out Chrome Web Store. Now note that this differ according to the kind of web browser you are using. For me, I am making use of Chrome. That is why I typed in Chrome Web Store. So if you are using you're making use of Microsoft Edge, for example, or any other kind of web browser, ensure you use the title of that browser to search for the web store. So after you've seen it, ensure you select web store, and then once you're on the web store's page, in the top part of the screen in the search box, type MetaMask extension and click enter. Okay, that is wrong. So let's go back and type it MetaMask. All right, and as you can see, this is it. So you can just select it. Then after selecting MetaMask, you'll be taken on that page where you would see the option add to Chrome by the right side. So just click on add to Chrome. And after clicking on that, you wait for it to load to be downloaded into your web browser. So click on add extension and wait for a while. So by the top part of the screen here, top right corner, you can see that it's already been downloaded. So you just have to wait until it has downloaded. So after installing it, you can see that you will be asked to create an account by the right up which says let's get started. So you can just scroll down, and then if you agree to MetaMask terms of use, just click on the agree by ticking the box. Then click on create new wallet, and then you can see I agree. And the next step would be to enter in your password. Ensure you enter in a password that is strong enough. If not, you would not be allowed to create an account. Okay, so you can just copy that. Or it's not possible, so just go ahead and retype what you just typed earlier, and then check this box and then click on create a new wallet. All right, and then you can decide. Next thing to do would be for you to create or check out your secret recovery phrase, because this is what you can use to recover your account whenever you misplace it, and it shouldn't be shared with other people. Then if you want to do it, you can. If not, you can just click on remind me later. Then you click I understand, click on skip, and then just like that, your wallet will be created. So click on next, then done, and then you can now enable this. All right, enhanced transaction protection. If you want to enable it, you can, or you can just manage it later in your settings. But I advise you click on enable, and then just like that, your MetaMask account has been created. So this is how you can create a new MetaMask wallet, a new MetaMask account. Try this as soon as you can. All right, thanks for watching and have a good day.